Booking a GP account in UK is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how you guys can book a GP appointment in UK. So for that, you have to go to any of the browser of your choice and type in NHS, and it will take you this page. You just have to go to their website, which is www.nhs.uk. I'm just going to go to their website and you will see this page. You just have to keep on scrolling down until you guys see the footer of the website. And in their homepage, you just have to click on this NHS services. You will see this page. And now here you have to go to GP's option and it will take you to this page. You just have to click on find a GP. After clicking on that, you just have to add the postal code of your area. I'm just going to add this postal code and I'm going to search it. It will find me the closest hospitals that are giving me GP's appointments. So you just have to go to any of the hospital's website or hospital's page and you guys will be able to see their contact information. You just have to contact them and ask for an appointment. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.